So the new iPhone XS, or as they call it, 10S, but when you look at it, you're going to say X. Everybody calls it XS. So it's kind of weird because they call it 10S, but when I look at it and you look at it, you probably say X because it's an X. It's what I do. I call it an X. I went to Apple the other day looking to make a purchase, bought some stuff, some cool little gadgets and gizmos, and part of that was the fast charging system for the iPhone XS Max. Why they just can't call it the Plus, I don't know. I've got the iPhone XS Max. Why they just couldn't call it the Plus, I don't know. How many watts can the iPhone XS Max? Why we can't just call it the Plus, I don't know. You just did an unboxing and case review for Urban Armor gear cases for the iPhone XS Max. I gotta think about it when I say it because it's so complicated. Couldn't they just call it the 10 Plus? For someone who just went back into the iOS ecosystem to test out the new iPhone XS Max, why they just can't call it the iPhone X Plus, 10 Plus, I don't know. It's still annoying to me. Here right now we have an iPhone XS Max. I don't know why they don't call it the Plus. I wanted to go ahead and just add some color to my iPhone XS Plus, or 10X S 10S Plus, 10X Max? I don't know. It's the big iPhone. It's the new iPhone. It's the big one. Thanks for checking out the install on my D-brand skin on my iPhone XS Max. I always want to call it the Plus. I'll get it right one day. 10S Max. iPhone 10. Anyways, I'll get it. I'll figure out what phone this is. Probably by the time I do that, it'll rotate into something else.